Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always, and as you can see I have another package here. This is from Daz Evers, and what can I say about Daz? He's a absolutely awesome guy, really good lock picker, and makes fantastic, beautiful lock picks. Uh, I really truly think that Daz could charge $100 a piece for his picks like Rat Yoke does, but Daz is so nice he just gives them away in trades and stuff like that. Really awesome guy. Daz and I have been emailing back and forth for quite a while, just talking about random lock stuff and whatever else is going on. Um, which reminds me, if any of you guys want to email me, just whatever, talk about locks, really anything. I'll leave that in the description as well as Daz's channel. I'm sure most of you are aware of it, but I'll leave it down there in case. But yeah, you guys know I could talk forever, so let's just let's just get into this thing, I guess. I think all I really know is there's gonna be a lockpick in here, which I'm extremely anxious about. I've been marveling at Daz's work for a while now. I'd love to try and make one that style one day. Okay, nice packing. I'll take this out of frame for a second. Looks like a box in a box. Oh, I might have reused another package. This thing is well packed, that's for sure. Love seeing that. Let's do that. There we go. Put the knife away before I cut myself. And what should we do here? Take everything out at once, or one at a time, or... Oh, awesome, awesome. Whoa. That's beautiful wood. What is that? Well, it looks dark enough to be ebony. You'll have to let me know, Daz. Like I said in my last video, I'm really not good at reading woods. 24 thousandths feeler gauge. Awesome. I really need to get myself some of this stuff, but I'm kind of cheap. Being in between jobs, I really have to prioritize my my spendings. This is really awesome. I'm sure I've already asked you, but I forget, Daz. You have to let me know what brand feeler gauge this is, because I know it's pretty tough stuff the way everyone talks about it. I'll put that aside for now. There's another yeah, what is that wood? Very beautiful wood. Perfect for scales. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, here's a nice chunk. I'll be able to make I'm gonna try making nice handle out of that. I just gotta find a saw nice thin enough so I can cut a little slit in it thick enough for the pick, or the feeler gauge. Okay. Ooh, another. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. There we go. So that's empty. I think we'll save these for last. Let's purple. I'm colorblind, by the way, guys, but pretty sure that's some sort of... I'm not sure, I don't want to make a fool of myself, but it looks purple to me. That's awesome. Thanks, Daz. Another piece of probably 24 thousandths. And I have some locks here. Take them out one by one. Ooh, challenge lock. Schlag keyway, but fairly wide open one. Might be able to... maybe not from the bottom, but... not with 24 thousandths anyway. That should be pretty challenging. Kind of nervous already. Another one. Ooh, sorry about the focus, guys. Awesome. It's good to have some challenge locks because I literally don't have any. Actually, I have two. One of them is giving me quite a bit of trouble. There's a key for one of them. Oh, we have a blank here. Interesting. Looks like a Y1. JMA 1A? Sorry guys. Crappy camera. Yeah, JMA 1A. I'm guessing Y1. There's the other. I'll have to figure out which one of those is which. Oh, wicked, a best. A keyway, I believe. Awesome. It's going to be fun to try to get the core out of there. Might be able to get that out and make a key. And what do we have here? Brian Grant. Oh, pretty good bidding, not bad. Let's check it out. Whoa. That's an interesting keyway. It's a Schlag keyway, but you don't see the warding until you look inside. I don't even know if the camera will pick that up or not. That one you should be able to get right from the bottom. Still a little dragging. It's funny you can't see the... Oh, maybe it's just so well used. Oh, that's cool. It looks almost like a aluminum or cast. Oh, it works extremely smooth once you get the key in. US lock. Interesting. And one lock, yeah, one lock left, a York. Oh, that's probably what this is for. Yeah, there you go. I'll do something with that. I'll make a challenge lock and send it back to you, Daz, along with some other stuff. Alright, that's it for locks. Let's check out what's in these mysterious packages back here. Oh, these are nice. Some sort of wire routing thing, I believe. You steal that from work, Daz? No, I'm just joking, buddy. Oh my goodness. Holy. Wow. Man, I've seen a bunch of these pics on people's videos, but until you get one in your hand, the I mean, a lot of people have better cameras than I do, but pictures just don't do this justice at all. I'll really try to give this the attention it deserves. Look at that. Unbelievable. Wow. Like I said, I've seen a bunch of your pics, Daz, but this is just unbelievable. I'd be so proud to be able to make something like this. And I'm going to give it a try. But, yeah. Unbelievable. Beautiful finish. Holy crap, I'm blown away. I can't wait to show these off. I think my mom will even appreciate how beautiful this is. I helped my mom out with a lot of woodworking stuff, and yeah, I think she'll get a kick out of that. And last but definitely not least, wow, I feel the shape of the handle. Unbelievable. Oh, I'm speechless. Sorry, guys. That's really nice. And this does feel really, really tough. I like a pick that's really rigid in this this direction. Wow. Well, we're at 13 minutes, but stand by while I grab my micrometer. I don't have my calipers nearby, but curious how thick these are after all the polishing and stuff. I'm guessing it started off as 24 thousandths, but you guys probably can't see that too well. Let me do this. Lock that. What do we got here? Well, it's still at 24 thousandths. This camera just sucks. But yeah, definitely at 24 thousandths. I know you guys probably can't see that, and this camera's starting to piss me off, but yeah, you get the idea. So that's really cool. I'll check the other one while we're at it. I think one out of there. Oh, sorry. 23 thousandths, same as last one. So that polishing took off a thou. I'm guessing if we measure the feeler gauge it would... Actually, sometimes these things aren't quite precision. But, yeah, 24 thou. I really wish this piece of crap would focus. But anyway, I'm not going to keep wasting your guys' time with this crappy camera. But it gets me so mad. So frustrated. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, guys, this video is long enough. Daz, what can I say, man? Absolutely excellent work. Like I said, you could get $100 a piece for these, I'm sure, easy. I don't see much of a difference between these and rat yolks. But then again, I've never had a rat yolk pick up close. But anyway, yeah, thanks, Daz. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. I'll be putting some stuff together for you, that's for sure. Maybe I can make a pick or two for you. I don't think they'll be quite this beautiful, but yeah. Wow. Blown away. Alright, guys. I could keep going on and on, so I'm going to sign off with that. As always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Don't pick locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, Daz. Wow.